Hey guys, Brad from Queensland Marine Centre, QMC. Today I'm here at Gold Coast City Marina where we have a lot of our boats on display, some of our bigger boats. Today I'm on a boat we've just traded. It is a 2023 model, so very late model, Boston Whaler 380 Outrage centre console. It is a decent sized boat. In the console is a air conditioned cabin with a double bed, so for those that want to overnight, perfect. At heart, it's a fishing boat. It's a serious offshore fishing boat. This one's really well optioned. It's packaged or powered by the Mercury V12 outboard, so twin 600 horsepower V12 outboards. Amazing, absolutely amazing engines, super quiet, unbelievable performance, and really good economy. Roughly 200 hours or just under 200 hours on this, so only just run in, lightly used. This one's got a coloured wrap on it, so it's not a painted hull on the sides of the boat, it's a coloured wrap, so removable if you're not into a coloured hull, just back to white. It's got the Eco Teak flooring, which is really nice, sets the boat off really nicely actually. The gentleman who we traded it off, he was a fisherman, so it's kitted up with a pretty serious Baitmate bait board, live bait tank. The boat's got a cockpit grill as well, so if you just want to be social, if you're not fishing, there's a table that goes here, this back seat folds out and you've got a cockpit grill, so you can entertain. Nice shade, this electric shade out the back. Forward you've got a shade as well, but that's a Euro shade with the drop-in poles and shade cloth. Fresh water here. A little bit of custom work on this boat. The boat's got joystick control because it's V12s, but he's also added an extra joystick back here close to the dive door. So when you're parking the boat, you can literally have the dive door open. If you're moving towards your jetty, you could be literally steering the boat, just seeing exactly where you were. And once you got to the dock, you'd literally step off, tie up your boat, and you're all done. So really simple, cool little feature, that one. This one's got fridges both sides, and also at the helm, it's a 3-seat helm. This one's been customised a little bit with full surrounds, full clears. So I drove this boat back the other day from Brisbane. It was a pretty cool day, had everything fully enclosed, couldn't hear the engines at all, and nice and warm and cozy inside, so pretty cool feature. And also wing curtains as well. The other thing that's been changed on this boat from standard, because standard they have Simrad electronics, the client who owned this boat, he's a fan of Garmin electronics, so everything's been changed to Garmin, including the radar, all that sort of stuff, but nice big Garmin screens. Some people really like them, they are easy to use. And then downstairs there's an air conditioned cabin, toilet in there as well, vacuum flush toilet with holding tank, so plenty of room if you did want to overnight. Good sized double bed in there. And then moving forward, nice big sun pad, table's electric on this one, so it can go just down flat. You can remove cushions. It can be a nice big casting deck. Cushions and stuff are removable as well, but if it's a day boat, if you're just out with your family and friends, like I said, you've got a nice big sun pad, seating area, shade comes out over the top here, so it can be a nice comfortable day boat for if you're on the west coast, Rottnest Island. If you're on the east coast, on the Gold Coast or Brisbane, you got Moreton Bay, Moreton Island, the Broadwater here, and if you're Sydney, it's a fantastic Sydney harbour boat. So come down, check it out. 2023 model Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. The boat is advertised online, so check it out, or come down to Gold Coast City Marina and have a touch and feel yourself.